This 2022 Forest River Wildwood 260RTX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 28 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleep's 8 LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, awning, leveling jacks, air conditioning, refrigerator, smoke detector, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Wildwood 260RTX is 4,800 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.